everyone, welcome to Shuta's Universe. In today's video, I'm going to paint an experimental portrait with acrylic paints and some metallic fabric paints. So let's get started. I'm using my Holbein Aurora Acrylic Polymer Emulsion paints. For the background, I will be using the orange color and some red. In the beginning, I was experimenting with some gel mediums, but it didn't turn out so great. And these paints are awesome on their own. I'll get back to the background later, and now drawing the outline of my portrait. It's not going to be a totally realistic portrait with the facial features like eyes, nose and everything. It's just a shadow of the realistic portrait. I'm using a random photo from the internet for reference. For my mixing palette, I'm using an old calendar page and it's doing its job great. I'm painting the face with carbon black color and I think these two colors look very nice together. I mean the reddish orange background and this carbon black subject. I'm basically drawing and painting together, so there can be any mistakes in the drawing. That doesn't matter. I can fix it in the painting process. I'm using some of the background colors in the subject to make it look like it's reflecting. Drawing the outlines of her hair with the black color. And we've got some flowers here. This is a really interesting color. It's opera red. I was craving for some golden paints in my painting and I didn't have that. But luckily in this acrylic set of mine, I have got a beautiful silver color and I'm using that for the hair. I'm also using some metallic fabric paints in silver and it looks beautiful here. Of course, the hair is not going to be flat silver. There will be some shadows and some reflections from the background. I've got some pretty yellows in this set and I really love them. In this part of the painting, I'm using thick layer of paints. This is my fabric paint. I'm mainly using the fabric paints for the brightest parts and some shimmers as they are metallic paints. I'm really glad that I use silver color for the hair and not gold. I think it looks gorgeous besides this black color. to add some leaves. I've started with my acrylic paints and I'm going to add some fabrics on the leaves and the flowers also. I don't know why, but I wanted to make this painting glowy. And I think this is a nice change. Now I really love this part of the painting. I'm using this gorgeous metallic fabric blue paint for some glow in the face, also in the neck. I don't want it to be too bright, so I'm mixing some water. And some black paints. Getting back to the background, somehow this painting reminds me of fire, like something's burning here. And I love these fiery kinds of glow with all these oranges, reds and yellows. I'm creating a textured background with thick brush strokes and individual colors of paints. I can surely say that this one is my favorite painting in a while. Of course, these kinds of background takes a while and some patience, but it's totally worth it because it's very satisfying. Almost there with the background. And now it's time to touch up the flowers and leaves. Again, I'm using these gorgeous metallic fabric paints. And this piece of work is almost finished. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Shuta's Universe. And please do share with your friends. Stay connected to Shuta's Universe and never stop being creative. I will come back with another video shortly.